Hi, my name is Natalie Vasquez, and this is my initial self-assessment presentation. The first learning objective is students will develop knowledge of theory, research, standards, and applications of performance appraisal and performance management. My only experience in performance appraisals was during school and college. I remember sometimes my instructors would tell us, tomorrow I'm getting evaluated, so be on your best behavior. That's the only real exposure that I've got to appraisals. And also briefly an intro to IO psychology and organizational psychology. I remember reading that supervisors don't like to give appraisals and employees don't really like to receive them. But besides that, I really don't know a lot about performance appraisals or management. The next learning objective is students will examine the implications of empirical findings and trends for research and practice in performance management. Like I said, I'm kind of lacking experience and knowledge of performance management, so I don't know research or empirical findings of it, but I'm looking forward to learning more about it in this course. The next learning objective is students will demonstrate the ability to integrate their understanding of the topics in performance management and present for an appropriate audience. One thing that I really enjoy about IO psychology is the potential to establish relationships and interact one-on-one with employees and high-level employees. So being able to understand performance management and be able to communicate that with others is something I really want to do one day in my career, so I'm looking forward to that. My first personal goal is to understand what performance management is, because I really don't know. I would like to know how it works and what type of organizations use performance management and their responsibilities. My final goal is to determine if performance management is a career choice I would like to pursue. From what I understand, performance management is related to HR, and one thing I really like about HR is that they get to contribute to employees and the organization as a whole, and they kind of are that gateway of communication between regular workers and higher level management. So anything that will help me understand that more is something I'm looking forward to learning. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I am very enthusiastic about this class.